Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mimi Melly and I'm the creator of Create Kingdom Plans. So happy to have you here. Guess what? Today we're reviewing another keyboard. Now this fabulous keyboard was sent to me by Seenda on Amazon. So you can find the link in the description box below if you're interested in purchasing one yourself. In this video, we'll be doing a unboxing and also a full review. I've had this for about 2 weeks now, using it just regularly on my computer and with my iPad, and I'm gonna let you know my final thoughts at the end of this video. And let's get started. Here it is, you guys, brand new keyboard. I don't know about you guys, but I have an addiction to Bluetooth keyboards all of a sudden. Please, someone tell me why every single time I'm opening a package, my press-on nails want to embarrass me. Like, oh my goodness. But don't worry, I glued it right back on. Okay, so in this package, you're going to receive your black keyboard, your user manual, and your charger. The user manual is super helpful to help you know how to change colors, how to transfer to the different Bluetooth settings, and also just, you know, all functionality of your Bluetooth keyboard. So definitely keep that, because I've definitely turned back to it to look how to do certain things. Now, I usually don't read the user manual, but girl, I read this whole thing, okay? I read the whole thing because I wanted to know all the functions and how to use them. And I wanted to show you guys in case you want to buy this so that you know how to use it as well. And you'll see that it's super easy to do everything. So let's open it up. So I just turned it on. It comes with a little bit of battery life already, so I'm gonna be just going right ahead and using it. And I wanna test my iPad. I wanna see if it fits. So for reference, I use an iPad Pro 11-inch. So you'll see how my iPad fits in there. And I actually noticed that there's a little bit of room, so it might actually be able to fit the 12-inch iPad Pro. So, but definitely you'll have to check the dimensions of your iPad or your tablet. Just from measuring, it's 12.5 inches in that space. So if you have a device that fits about 12 inches, it should fit perfectly right in the slot. So I'm super excited that my iPad fits, because I do have the smaller version, so it most likely fits in most of these sorts of keyboards. Okay, so let's start connecting devices. So what you want to do is go to your settings and turn on your Bluetooth. Make sure that's on. Since it's already on the first device, all you have to do is click and hold on number 1 right here and wait till it starts blinking. There you go. It started blinking blue. Once you see that blue light, go back to your device and hit that Bluetooth keyboard. Once you've done that, you're connected. Yes, it's working. Yes, I'm so excited. This connected so easily. All right, so now let's see how this works on your computer. find the click clacking of the keys super satisfying on this keyboard. If you want something that's a little bit quieter, then this one might not be for you, but this one's not too loud. In my opinion, I love it, and you know, unlike the typewriting sort of keyboards, it's definitely a lot quieter than those. So I definitely find this satisfying and soothing. I'm super in love with this keyboard, and I haven't even shown you the best feature yet, but that's gonna come towards the end of the video. But for now, I just wanna show you how I set up my iPad to work on my Etsy shop and to work on different planners that I'm making. Usually what I do is I keep the iPad case on, but you can also sit it up in the that little space without your iPad. And I really like it because it holds it up really well. So as you can see, it holds it up at a good angle for me. And you know, if you ever do want it to be more straight up, you can always use your iPad case with it, or you can prop it up. To switch over to my iPad, I'm just gonna hold FN and click on the next device. So the iPad is connected to number 1, and so I just hold that, and now, boom, I'm connected to my iPad. So it's easy to switch back and forth between your devices. Now let's get that close-up, girl. So once again, I just want to show you how to switch between devices. Hold down on FN and click on whichever number that you wanted. So if your number 1 is your iPad, like me, you're just gonna hold both of those until you see that blue light pop up. Then you go to the second one, the third one, the fourth one, the same exact way. Now, if you want to connect a device to it, make sure you hit FN and, for example, number 3. When you see that blue light pop up, then you're gonna hit and hold on number 3, and that is what's going to help you to pair it to a different device. Okay, on to my favorite feature. You can change up to 7 different colors for the backlit lighting. All you gotta do is hold on FN and click enter. This changes the different colors. Now it's time for my final thoughts on this beautiful Seenda Bluetooth keyboard. Now this keyboard comes at a price point of $41.99, but if you use the code in my description box below, you will get it for $33.59. I personally love this keyboard because if you're a tech girl like me, you can connect up to 4 devices. I also love that it fits my iPad Pro perfectly in that slot at the top and props it up appropriately. The compact size of this keyboard makes it super easy to grab and go anywhere that you're about to go to. Finally, the backlit lighting gives it a nice personal touch for someone who loves pink, just like me. Now, I really wish this keyboard came in different vibrant colors for every personality. That's the only thing I think I'm missing. Anyways, you guys, we're at the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. See you in the next one. Bye.